Hi fashionistas and divos, it's your girl Shakira, otherwise known as the Mystic JA, here on YouTube, coming to you guys with a quick tip or something that I've been experiencing that I want to share with you guys. I've had my Virgin Brazilian body wave from AliExpress for 2 months now. I just took it out like 3 weeks ago. I had it in for 2 months. And 2 months and a half, I think. Yeah, 2 months and a half, about almost 3 months. And when I took it out, I was experiencing a lot more shedding than usual. I don't know why. So I went to get silicone mix at the hair store, but they didn't have any. Whoop whoop where I live. So I got the Brazilian Keratin Therapy Conditioner. I got that. And I got the tea tree oil glosser, reduces itching and flaking, eliminates frizz, conditions and shine. I got that also. And I also have the Herbal Essence Hydro Recharge conditioner and shampoo. That's in my bathroom, so I can't go get it right now. And I shampooed it once, then I conditioned it with the Herbal Essence Hydro Recharge conditioner, and I washed those out. Then I conditioned the hair again with this bad boy right here. And then I detangled the hair really good. After detangling, I put a little bit of this and run it through the hair from tip to ends. Then I put my 4 bundles in a Ziploc bag. And when I put it in a Ziploc bag, I went downstairs and I put the Ziploc bag, close it real tight, real good, put it in my Ziploc bag in the microwave, and I put it on 45 seconds. 45 seconds to deep condition the hair and have like a hot oil treatment, as to what you would say. So I want to show you guys the end product of how the hair looks and what's going on. Then I use with some, this is what I did, have it up on some rods so it could dry. I'm just going to take out one to show you guys. The hair is really beautiful. Like, this is the hair. And I'm going to bring it up closer to the camera so you can see the sheen on it that it has and how beautiful it is. So mixing these together, putting them on the Brazilian hair and putting them in the microwave for 45 minutes will bring back that hair back to life, honey. When I say back to life, I mean back to life. These are lifesavers. So thank you. Thanks for watching. I hope this tip helps you, and I see you in my next video. Like, comment, subscribe. You know your girl love ya.